how to log into your Affirm account on a new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have logged out of your Affirm account on your old phone, right? So after making sure that, you can get your Affirm application on your new phone, and then you can simply open the application. So after opening the application here, you need to make sure that you do remember the credentials of your Affirm account, right? So in here, first of all, you'll need to select your you need to select your country just like this. Then you need to tap on login, and after doing that, we'll get into the login page, from where, like I said, you need to add in all of the credentials of your account in order to log in. So add in the mobile number, then tap on continue, or if you have added some kind of passkey, you can also tap on the option login with passkey and simply log into your Affirm account using your passkey. So in here, if in case you do not have the access of your number, you can simply tap on the option new number, update your account too, and go along with the process too. So yeah, that is exactly how you'll be able to do it. All you need to do is add in your phone number, tap on continue, and then add in the password of your account, and like that, you'll be able to log into your Affirm account on your phone. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.